Laser eyes.
Check this video, like and subscribe.
Have you ever wondered how simple metal turns into a masterpiece?
Welcome to the secret world of car manufacturing.
It starts as scrap metal, cold and lifeless. But watch as technology breathes life into this steel. Fusing the metal, building the unbreakable bones. Precision is the secret behind a perfect car. Laser eyes scanning, checking for perfect symmetry and balance. Smoothing the rough edges. Preparation is key to perfection. Smoothing the rough edges. Preparation is key to perfection. Applying the primer. The baking process, sealing the paint with intense infrared heat. The trunk lid follows. The back is now complete. The heart is installed. The power source is finally home. The gearbox is fixed, ready to shift power to the wheels. The suspension goes in. Built for a smooth, steady ride.
The cooling system, keeping the power cool under pressure.
The cockpit is installed. The driver's command center. The shield is on, protecting the vision of the road. Tires locked. The grip is ready for the road. Aligning the wheels. Precision is essential for high speed. The first breath. The engine is alive and roaring.
Ignition in 3, 2, 1. Now, fire it up! We have ignition!
Eyes open. The car is ready to see the world. The final test. Proving the engineering perfection.
From scrap metal to a legend. Ready to own it? Subscribe.